The superiority of that person who leaves all doubtful, unclear things for the sake of his religion. Narrated by Nu'man bin Bashir Raziyallahu anha. I heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, both legal and illegal things are evident, but in between them are the doubtful, suspicious things, and most of the people have no knowledge about them. So whoever saves himself from these suspicious things saves his religion and his honor, and whoever indulges in these suspicious things is like a shepherd who grazes his animals near the hima, private pasture of someone else, and at any moment he is liable to get in it. O people, beware, every king has a hima, and the hima of Allah on the earth is his illegal, forbidden things. Beware, there is a piece of flesh in the body. If it becomes good, reformed, the whole body becomes good, but if it gets spoiled, the whole body gets spoiled, and that is the heart.